the train's hiding.
I don't even see it yet. We ain't even got nothing.
Because it's by the tree. He's coming. He's coming.
I don't know if we're gonna get another double up because this one we ain't got no train coming from this way. There it is. That's coal? That's some more coal?
Yep, that's some more coal for your birthday.
For my birthday coal?
Yep.
Coal for my birthday!
It said Dad's coal.
Dad's coal? You're funny. There it is coal. It's smoking too. Look, look.
Yeah, that thing is gonna blow.
That is gonna blow up. That's the old BNSF too, ain't it?
Yeah,
No, that's the new one.
Oh, BNSF too. Look.
Oh my God, that's loud. Coal for my birthday? Get the water bottle. Back there. This is the BNSF Uriah's birthday coal train. That's what I'm gonna name the video. BNSF Uriah's birthday coal. Dad's gonna do Dad's birthday. Oh. BNSF Dad's birthday coal train. It is my birthday. I'm gonna eat coal for my birthday. I'm gonna have coal ice cream sandwich. We can still get no double up. We still can't get a double up. We need another one to come. Raya? There it is. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a nice engine. It was pretty clean. Pretty clean.
That should have been in the front.
Should have been in the front. It was a nice clean BNSF. Peace out. Peace out, BNSF.
Peace out. Peace out, BNSF Dad coal train.
Dad, birthday, coal train.